Hi guys, welcome back to Clear-Breaking Knowledge Quest. I am Kelvin Ikenna Ikechukwu, and we will continue from our previous class, which is dimensional analysis. We did an introduction and its importance. It will be good of you to scroll downwards to watch the video before you start this if you have not seen it yet. All right, so now we have an expression and we need to analyze this. They say express the following quantities in their dimensional analysis and write down the SI units. So in the previous class, I told you that the fundamental quantities, which are mass, length, time, temperature, there are 7 in number, but the 3 key ones are that of mass, length, time. And I told you in dimensional analysis, they are represented with the capital letter. M is for mass, L is for length, and T is for time. So this is what they want us to do with this, to be able to generate a formula for this. Now, what is volume? Volume is simply length times breadth times height or depth, depending on any one you want to call it. Now, if you can find out this, all these things are quantities based on what? Length. They are distance. So it simply means that this is L times L times L. And what is L times L times L? This is triple L, which is L cube. So this is what volume stands for in a dimensional analysis. And then what is L cube? The SI unit. This is meter cube, because length is a meter. The unit for length is a physical quantity. Its unit is meter. So that's how we have meter cube. Now, what's velocity? Velocity is what? Displacement over time. Now, checking this out, displacement is like a change in position within a straight line. Okay, it's a vector quantity. Now, displacement has to do with change in position, which is distance. Now, so therefore, its distance has to do with what? Length. L over your time is what? T. So now, what's the unit for length? Which is M, small letter m. And what's the SI unit for time? S. So that's how we have meter per second, or ms raised to power minus 1. Remember, when you take this s upward, according to the law of indices, it becomes negative. The power here, which is 1, changes to minus. So now acceleration. Acceleration is rate of change of velocity over time. Now, from here already, we know what our velocity is. Our velocity is L over T. Now, divided by time. So, divided by T. Now, according to the law of mathematics, we can put a 1 here, and this becomes L over T times. Now, this 1 comes up, and the T go down. So, we have L times 1, which is L over T times T squared. So, therefore, the SI unit becomes L is what? Meter. And T squared, which is seconds. So you add your square, second square. So that's how we got the SI unit for acceleration to be meter per second square. Now, density. What is density? Density is simply mass per unit volume. Mass over volume. Now, what is mass? Mass have to do with what? Kg. Kilogram and every other thing. And the letter that we use in representing mass, I've claimed it before. I said it is capital letter M. And what is volume? We have solved that of volume before. We say volume is L over 3. So this will be capital letter L over M over L over 3. And now the unit for mass is kilogram. And the unit for length is meter. Since this is cubed, so this becomes kilogram per meter cube, or kilogram meter cube raised to power minus 3. Now, the last but not the least here is pressure. What is pressure? Pressure is simply force over area. the force acting in a given area. That is what pressure is defined as. And now, what is force? Force is simply mass times acceleration. Mass times acceleration. So this becomes force mass times acceleration. And area we simply know is what? Length times length. Now, mass is represented with capital letter M. What is acceleration? From here we got acceleration. Acceleration, we said it is what? We said acceleration, sorry, this is over 1 is equal to, acceleration is what? L over t raised to power 2. Now, all over area. What is area? Area is L squared. I hope you can see this. So, let me clean the top here. Now, analyzing this more, this becomes M times L becomes M L over T squared. Now, divided by L squared over 1. Mathematics will say that this becomes M L over T times, we put 1 up here and bring L squared down. So our final answer will become ML. ML times 1 is what? ML over TL squared. L will cancel L here, so we are left with M over TL. So now what is M? M stands for mass, and that mass is what? The SI unit is what? Kilogram. T is time, and time is in seconds. And L is length, and length is in meter. So therefore, the SI unit is kg per meter seconds. So this is the SI unit for pressure. Although the man who found pressure is also called Pascal. So if you don't want to write kilogram per meter seconds, you can simply write Pascal or bar, or it also have different forms. So, but this is how the unit is being derived. So thank you for staying back till this time. Remember, you should practice more by yourself, and then you see yourself getting better in dimensional analysis. See you in the next video where we conclude the class. Bye for now.